Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
This is a video, educational video on the significance of the rectangular boxes that I draw on the charts. Member had asked me about today. So this was OST. We were trading this morning, and because just before the market opened, it had this big sharp pop, and then at the opening, it sold off sharply, and then boom, off it went again. Had a couple of little pops above that, and then started trading in a range. So what this rectangle represents is the range here at 380, 385, and 410. I think I said 415 this morning. Doesn't matter. This is the range that it was trading in. And then I wrote bullish above, bearish below. So you want to watch this when it's trading in this range. Typically, or quite often, what happens is the chat rooms that get a hold of these stocks like this, their key guy or girl, as the case may be, says, I'm buying this, he buys it at support and says, I'm buying it. And then at the resistance level, which would have been in this case around the 415, he says, I'm selling. And, it trades in a range. He buys, he sells, buys, sells. Quite often you see it go, 2 or 3 times before they fail. But in this case, I said 385 and 415, bullish above, bearish below. So, and that was after it had spiked a couple times. So we see it got up to that level, failed to go through it, came down, and when it broke that support level at 485, that was your stop. You need to get out of that trade, and it did trade down to 350. And then what happens later, it has no real bearing on this rectangle anymore. This was just for that at the opening period to see where it's going to go. Now it's in it is in a bit of a rising channel here. Hard to say what it's going to do, but that's the significance of the rectangle.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Reach new levels of trading proficiency. Become a member at turbotrading.biz.